Yo, what's up? I want to show you a cool way of live granular looping with the PitchLoop89. It's a new effect in Ableton Live 11. Let's check it out. Okay, so empty project. First, we need a sound. You can use any sound. Let me use a sound for my preset pack here. And here we go. Okay, we're going to create a return track. And we're going to add the pitch loop. You can find it under delay loop, pitch loop. It is a separate pack, a Max for Live pack you can download. So you need Ableton Suite for that, pitch loop. And then you'll see it in the categories under delay and loop. So the pitch loop is essentially two delays, pitch shifting delays, but we can kind of use it as a granular delay because it has a buffer, records everything that we play. I'm going to put it on 100% wet and I'm going to send our track to it. And now it just function as a delay. Let's make the segment a bit shorter. That's the length of the buffer. Okay, the looping buffer. Nice. Let's also add some reverb just to diffuse it a tiny bit. And also, I think I'm gonna also use a sidechain compressor to the sound itself, to our what's called forest storm, just so it won't play as we play the actual sound. It will only, as we start granular looping, it will play it. Okay, let me switch the view to the piano, to the MIDI keyboard, so you can see what I'm mapping. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna map, let's go to MIDI mapping mode or Command M. I'm gonna map the actual looping, and I'm using a sustain pedal here. These things cost like $20, $25. You can get them, connect them to your MIDI keyboard. Most MIDI keyboards have a sustain connection, and let's map it there. Okay, nice. Next, let's map also this sample rate. I'm gonna map it to my pitch bend, and I'm gonna map the position of the buffer to my mod wheel. Nice, let's exit MIDI mapping mode, Command M. And now I can start playing it. And when I hit my sustain pedal, it's gonna start looping. I can also change the sample rate, which will change the pitch. And of course I can play with the buffer. So let's play something. Let's loop it. Playing with the mod wheel. Let's play with the pitch. Let's play some more. Nice. So very cool way to do live granular looping. I do have an effect called Magic Glitch. Where is that? Magic Glitch, which is kind of automating this live granular looping. And you can just get it from my website, just put it on a return track, send your sound, and just play, and it will make these nice glitches. Automatically. Nice. So this is live granular looping with the PitchLoop89. You can check it out, do it yourself, or get this rack that I've made for my website for some cool glitches. I'll catch you next time.